What's up guys, it's Chop from Muc-Off, and today I'm going to show you how to use our brand new AirMach electric inflator Pro Max. Designed for motorcycles and bicycles, the AirMach Pro Max is built for fast, accurate inflation, making it ideal for workshops, event mechanics, race pits, or dialing in pressures on the fly at home, whether it's a single bike or a fleet of bikes. To power on, press and hold the button on the side. This will illuminate the screen above, giving you a real-time pressure reading. You can switch between PSI and bar by pressing the plus and minus buttons together, then use the plus or minus buttons to set your target pressure. The AirMach Pro Max can be adjusted in 0.5 PSI increments, so you can get really precise with your setup. It also remembers your latest inflated PSI, so when it comes back to reinflation, you don't need to set it again. So before we're attaching it to the valve, make sure that the nozzle is set up correctly. It comes ready for press the valve straight out the box, but if you're running Schrader, simply remove the nozzle cap. We need to rotate the internal pin that just pops out. We're going to flip that round, and the rubber seal needs to be reversed also. I'm going to pop that back in and simply tighten it back up. There's also an extension hose which is included, which is ideal for harder to reach valves on motor wheels, time trial bikes, small wheels, or bikes clamped in a busy workshop stand. Once that's done, place it onto the valve nice and straight, then press the side button to start inflating. AirMach Pro Max will automatically stop when it reaches your preset tyre pressure, so there's no guesswork or no overflating. Right, once you're done, press and hold the side button to power it down, and when it's time to recharge, just plug it in via USB-C so it's ready for its next stint. The battery indicator on the screen will show you how much power you've got left. For the most accurate readings at different altitudes, you can also calibrate the pressure gauge before use by holding the power button for 12 seconds while the indicator is switched off. So if you're after faster, easier and more accurate inflation, whether you're in the workshop, at home, in the race pits or wherever you may be, make sure that the AirMach Pro Max is part of that setup. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.